So there's a way to make thousands of dollars a month from selling books online, and it's not low-content books like journals with blank pages or just lined notebooks. There's another type of book that is still easy to create, no writing involved, not much competition. What's up guys, this is Jet and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here or you want to see more content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel as well. Okay, let me put this out first. I am not saying stop creating low-content books like planners, journals, and notebooks because it's still working fine. In fact, they're the most popular books to sell on Amazon. But with popularity comes competition. So that's why I wanted to show you another book that you can create this quarter that will surely get you lots of sales. And what I'm talking about is medium content books. They're books with a little bit more content in them, and they're not the same repetitive pages like planners or journals. Medium content books can be workbooks, activity books, coloring books, puzzle or game books, and code books. However, you're not just going to create anything and waste your time. Do your research and see what type of activity books are selling well on Amazon. Now, at the time of creating this video, we're in the fourth quarter, and so Christmas is just a few months away. So why not create a Christmas maze books for kids? Don't worry. I promise you this is easy to create. Okay, let's get to it. Alright, so now you're on BookBolt, and this is the app or software that I'm talking about that we're going to use. It's pretty easy to use, and if you're not on BookBolt yet or you don't have BookBolt yet, we have a link in the description and you can just click on that link and you'll get a little bit of discount. So once you're logged in, you will have all this available for you, so you can do your product research, seller research, and all of this stuff. And so now we're going to create a book. So I'm not going to tackle on this research thing. You have to do your own diligence and do it in your own time. Okay, so just click on this research and then click create and BookBolt Studio. So once you're on BookBolt Studio, just click on new project. And for the project type, you want cover and interior, and your project name can be Christmas Mazes. And for the trim size, I normally use a bigger or larger size for kids activity books. So it's gonna do that. 8.5 by 11 inches, that should be okay. And for the interior, I only do black and white with white paper. For the page count, I normally don't go overboard. It's between 100 to, let's say, 120. So for this tutorial, let's just do 50 for now. And then just click create project. So once you're in, you can see this template, and this is exactly the template that you need. So 8.5 by 11. So what we're gonna do now is go to this icon. This is the graphics icon. And if you have your own cover design already, you can upload it here. Just click on this upload image. Otherwise, you can go to Pixabay or Unsplash and use some of the free images here. So since this is a Christmas mazes for kids, I'm going to search for Christmas and see what they come up with. And you can even choose any color you like or any category, and you can be very specific. Just hit on search and you have all of this. So let's say this one, maybe we put it here like this. And I'm going to choose this shape, and I can change the color. I can use this pipette, and I'll just change that to that one, or maybe this red one over here. Let's say the nose part. Okay, so I think that should be okay. So the next part that I'm gonna do is the title of the book. So just click on this T icon over here and click on heading, or you can also do regular multi-line text. It's up to you. Maybe change the color also to red. And I can go here and then duplicate it. And I'm just gonna change this mazes. All right, I'm gonna duplicate this again. Put for kids. I can change the font over here, and you can also upload your own font. Just go to my fonts and then upload the TTF or the OTF or the WFF files. So, but I'm just gonna use my free font for now. I can use this Butterfly Kids. It looks nice. It looks like for kids, and that should be it. So I think that is okay. So now the hard part is done. The next page would be this page 1. And you can either leave this blank, or you can put the this belongs to page or this book belongs to. So I'm gonna do that. So for that, I want something also Christmassy. Maybe this Christmas tree is nice. There you go. I can put it like this. And since this is a black and white interior, all you have to do is just select the graphic and go to effects and then grayscale and average, and just click on OK, and that should be it. And now go to text, heading, and then just enter maybe this book belongs to, and make it a little bit smaller, center it, okay. And I'm gonna go ahead to shapes, and then I line, and you can also change the color to be a little bit lighter, or you can also change the stroke to a little bit thinner if you want. Click on the line like this. Okay, so now that you have your first page, which is the belongs to page, just go ahead and save your project. So the next step, we're gonna do the mazes. So what you're gonna do is go to this icon, and then we're gonna look for that maze. So we have this 4 over here and another square. Click on whatever maze that you like. I'm gonna use this rectangular maze, and I'm gonna choose the pages for which I'm going to put this rectangle maze. So I'm just gonna choose a random, and don't worry because each of these maze is different from the other mazes, so it creates it randomly for you. So I'm gonna choose all those pages, all right, and then hit on next. And you can change the horizontal size and vertical size. So since this is for kids, you don't want to make it so complicated and hard for them. Maybe 7 will do for vertical, or horizontal maybe 5. Don't make it so complicated, but it depends also on the age of your activity book, or age of the kids that you want to have this activity books for. And they even have this solution placement, so you can choose no solution, or on the same page, or next page after each puzzle page. It's all up to you. So say we don't need solution for now. You can also do the stroke. You can make it a little bit thicker or a little bit lighter. Okay, and then click submit. And now here you go. There's your first maze. See, they're all different from each other. There you go. So now I'm gonna do all the rest of the pages. I'm gonna choose the honeycomb. So just and let's do no solution for now, but you can always create a solution page if you want. And for the cells count, I'll just choose 5, and then hit on submit, and we'll see what happens. There you have it. They all look so nice. It's all different mazes. There's no same maze in these pages. And now I'm going to use another maze, this one with a hexagon, which is this. Right, let's see. Oops. Okay, let's do this. Then click on next. No solution, maybe 5. Now there's my hexagon, and I'm gonna do the rest. Do this circle. All right, click on next. Maybe 5, and then click submit. All right. So now we have all our pages filled. You're actually done with this, but since this is for kids, you might want to have some excitement in there. This looks boring for kids, so it's just so plain. So what you can do actually is go to every page and go to graphics and find some graphics that you can put. For example, let's say, let's try to find Santa, and maybe this Santa is nice. It looks okay. There you go. All you have to do is go to effects and grayscale. Change the opacity over here a little bit lighter. And now just drag this down, so the image is under the hex. You can do that, or you can also do something like maybe there's this gift, and then make it a little bit smaller. Put this up like that, and don't forget to change it. And if you can also do black and white if it looks good. Okay, so there you go. And you can do a lot of stuff here. You can do a lot of things, or put anything, or you can even put codes, something that will, make it exciting for kids. and just save that one. Once you've finished with all of your pages, you can download it and download current project. So this includes everything from cover and all the interiors. So just click on that and wait for this to finish, and then just save your file, hit OK. Let's see the PDF files. So now you have this interior and everything in it. You have your cover. There you go. So now you can upload this to KDP, and you can all do this for different kinds of activity books. Just search on BookBolt and you'll find whatever you want there. And they even have planner pages and notebooks and journal and bullet journal pages. So just look around. As I've said earlier, if you don't have BookBolt yet, just try it and just click on the link in the description, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you appreciate that I make videos like this for free, please like, subscribe, and share this video on social media. It really helps the algorithm and give me reasons to keep making these videos. Thanks again and enjoy your day. See ya!